Learn every day for a better life. If you're looking for a way to improve your health, lose weight, and have more energy, a low-carb diet could be just what you need. And as a busy mom, we know that you have a lot on your plate. That's why we've put together this comprehensive guide to help you get started on a low-carb diet in a way that's simple, flexible, and sustainable. Before we dive into the specifics of a low-carb diet, let's talk about why it's such a popular and effective way of eating. Research has shown that reducing your carb intake can lead to weight loss, better blood sugar control, and improved overall health. When you eat fewer carbs, your body is forced to use stored fat for energy, which can lead to significant weight loss over time. Additionally, a low-carb diet can help to reduce inflammation in the body, improve heart health, and even lower your risk of certain chronic diseases. So, what exactly is a low-carb diet? In general, a low-carb diet is one that restricts or eliminates high-carb foods like bread, pasta, rice, and sugary treats. Instead, the focus is on eating more protein, healthy fats, and low-carb vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, and cauliflower. Some popular low-carb diets include the ketogenic diet, the Atkins diet, and the South Beach diet, but there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The key is to find a low-carb eating plan that works for your body and your lifestyle. Now, let's talk about how to start a low-carb diet as a busy mom. The first step is to set realistic goals and expectations. Don't try to completely overhaul your diet overnight. Instead, focus on making small, sustainable changes that you can stick to long-term. Start by cutting out the most obvious high-carb foods like bread, pasta, and sugar, and replace them with healthier options like lean protein, nuts, and low-carb vegetables. Another tip is to plan your meals and snacks in advance. This will help you avoid the temptation to reach for high-carb convenience foods when you're short on time. Prep your meals and snacks on the weekends or in the evenings when you have a bit more free time, and consider investing in some convenient, low-carb snacks like hard-boiled eggs, cheese, and veggies with hummus. Speaking of meal prep, here are a few low-carb recipe ideas that are perfect for busy moms. Chicken and vegetable stir-fry with cauliflower rice. Turkey and cheese roll-ups with a side salad. Baked salmon with roasted asparagus. Zucchini noodles with meatballs and marinara sauce. Greek yogurt with mixed berries and chopped nuts. Remember, the key is to keep your meals simple and nutritious. Don't stress about getting fancy or making everything from scratch. Use pre-made ingredients when you can, and focus on filling your plate with plenty of protein and veggies. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Making dietary changes can be challenging, especially when you're juggling work, kids, and other responsibilities. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or even a registered dietitian for support and guidance. They can offer practical tips, meal ideas, and accountability to help you stay on track. Keep healthy snacks on hand. As a busy mom, you're likely always on the go, which can make it tempting to grab a quick, high-carb snack when hunger strikes. To avoid this, keep healthy, low-carb snacks on hand at all times. Some great options include nuts, seeds, beef jerky, hard-boiled eggs, and pre-cut veggies with dip. Having these snacks readily available can help you stay fueled and energized throughout the day without compromising your low-carb goals. Well, that's it for our ultimate guide to starting a low-carb diet for busy moms. We hope you found these tips and recipe ideas helpful, and that you're feeling motivated to give low-carb eating a try. Remember, the key is to take it one step at a time, and to be kind and patient with yourself as you make changes to your diet and lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to make your life better.